I remember growing up as a kid, I wanted to make tech reviews and computer tutorials on YouTube. It was like the hot thing at the time in 2009 and 2010. I look back at that time and I remember that as an 11-year-old kid, I had no idea what I was doing in terms of making tech reviews. I had nobody teach me how to do it. And I sort of just thought, okay, I guess I just tell people what I think, right? That's how reviews work, and that's exactly what I did as an 11-year-old boy over 10 years ago.
Hey guys, it's iGadgets TV here, and today's video is going to be a review on the Nintendo Wii wheel. This game comes in a bundle. This product comes with the bundle of Mario Kart Wii. And this is iGadgets TV, and this will be our first computer tutorial. We're going to be doing a lot of computer tutorials now, as well as gadget stuff.
Fast forward years later, I stepped out of this world of YouTube and to focus on school, my running at the time, getting my first big job during university, and now I'm here, back at it. And I remember, man, I wish I had someone provide me some guidance about how to approach starting a tech review channel. And that's why I'm making this video. I want to make this because I want to speak to my younger self and people like my old 12-year-old self who want to just dive in and learn how to start a tech YouTube channel in 2020 or in the years to come whenever you watch this video. Number one is camera gear. Everybody gets so caught up in camera gear. I think it's like the biggest barrier preventing so many people from starting. I always recommend just to start with what you already have in your home. May it be your smartphone or a camera you have lying around, or if you are lucky enough to have some savings, then go out and buy the best possible camera that you can afford. Don't fret or worry too much about this. Starting is way more important than trying to perfect all of your camera gear. Like, look at my videos from 10 years ago that were like 144p. It was like, quality was not my priority at the time. I really just cared about starting and getting into that creative process. That's the mindset you want to adapt. In terms of finding tech to review, another preconceived notion is that you need to have a lot of money to buy a lot of tech all the time, or you need to be a big YouTuber with a big following to go to all these big events and get companies to send you products. Both of those things are completely false. All of us started somewhere. Even to this day, I'm still reviewing old tech that I have. I simply don't have the money to keep up with all of the latest tech coming out, so I just review as much as I can with the things that I already own or can afford to buy at my own pace. If you're able to watch this video, think about like all the stuff you own. You probably have a cell phone, you might have a laptop or a computer, you might live with friends or family who have tech themselves. Just be very resourceful and find the little things you own, like keyboards, mouses, headphones, things that you could bring to the forefront on YouTube and review and help somebody make their buying decision. Once you really start to slowly build up your audience, slowly build up your savings and income over the years of doing this, you can really start to get tech just a little bit faster every few months. I know this is true because I'm living and breathing in this point of the process right now. I'm only just getting started and I'm just slowly starting to be able to get more access to tech as I grow my audience and my income. Another thing I wanted to touch on was scripting. A lot of YouTubers are kind of 50-50 on this. There are some tech YouTubers who are very candid and don't do any scripts at all. And then there's people like me who actually enjoy making the script and think there's lots of value making scripts. And I don't mean you say your stuff word for word. Like, this video has a script on my phone right here, but I still speak very candidly about everything that I wrote down. I like to create scripts because it allows me to actually create the story for my video and really see from an overview, is what I'm saying accurate? Am I hitting all the points about this product? Am I delivering a compelling message to my audience? Is what I'm saying makes sense? And you can only really get a high-level look at things when you create a script. You can see an overview of everything you're about to say. These are just some of the things that you need to think about when you're starting your own tech YouTube channel. I actually created a full 45-minute course talking about all of these topics in detail, from camera gear and scripting all the way to tips and advice on how to actually film a tech review on YouTube. This 45-minute class I created is actually on a website called Skillshare. You've probably heard of Skillshare before. It's a website that hosts thousands of different classes for creative and curious people like me and like yourself. There's a link down below directly to my class on Skillshare. It gives you 2 months free access to Skillshare Premium. So not only do you get access to my class, but you get access to the thousands of other classes hosted on this website. And also, if you really do want to support what I do here on YouTube, pressing that link and signing up at no cost to you, because you get a free trial. I get $10 per sign up. So if you really want to show some love to this YouTube channel, sign up down below and take the course. I really think you won't be disappointed. And I think the elephant in the room is, why didn't I post this course on YouTube? And honestly, I thought about it and I really wanted to, but it's a really long, detailed course on everything that I know about making tech reviews. And it was really only for people who actually wanted to learn something from somebody who had a little bit of experience. I felt Skillshare was a better platform for that than YouTube, because I can actually divide everything I want to teach somebody into lessons, and there's more tools that Skillshare gives you. And for me personally, whenever I want to learn something, I go on Skillshare. I don't really go on YouTube, because there's a difference in quality in the types of teachers and instructors on that website, and I've loved using it ever since. Again, my link to the full 45-minute class is down below if you guys want to support the channel in a huge way. Just press it and sign up and take the course. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you found some of the tips in this helpful, and hopefully I see some of you guys over on Skillshare. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.